Litos?
You gotta have your Benadryl when you get home.
What are you doing?
It's just a time passer.
Are you having fun at the dog park today? Where's your brother? Oh my goodness, can we see him on the video? He's way down there with Murphy. Can you go get brother? Are you going to stay in the shade? Are we having fun at the dog park today, Litos?
Oh, here he comes.
With brother. Oh, he's coming. Mojo, come here. There's Mojo. We're having a fun day at the dog park.
Yeah, she's just like, I'm tuckered out. I've done all my business and I'm tuckered out.
Lilu says, I think I'm done at the dog park.
Yeah.
We've been having fun playing.
Oh, girl.
What a silly Lilu.
Yeah, she's tuckered out,
I think the kids are just about done at the dog park.
So's the big kid.
Say goodbye, Facebook world. Bye-bye.